We're gonna test different ways to cool down your camper, van, whatever it is on these Freedom campers. We're gonna take an outside reading and an inside reading on each one of these units. This is the EcoFlow Wave 2. Outside's reading 138.7. Inside is reading 72.5. Next up, we have the InstaCool by Fagatti. Outside reading 140. Inside reading 88.3. Next up, we have a 10,000 BTU unit from OutEquip Pro. Outside reading is 131.1. Inside reading is 52.8. Next up, we have a standard RV fan. Outside reading 137.4. Inside reading of 87.6. Next up, we have this Amazon 7,000 BTU rooftop AC. 125 on the roof. 55.4 on the inside. So we're unbiased. We're just testing these and how they perform in each one of our Freedom campers. Which one's right for you is going to depend on your situation. And obviously one of these is not so great. We would not recommend using it.